Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware. On site, trying to locate a pump that we put in the ground here a few years ago, and we'd like to be able to access it. How to make a tool that you can use to shove in the ground to locate stuff. What I've done is, I've taken and I beat the end of a piece of smooth rod to kind of make it a little bit fatter. And then I ground it, just rounded, because I don't want the tip too sharp, and I want it to be like a paddle foot. So when I put it in the ground, I can rotate it slightly as I push, and it'll create a little bit larger hole than the rod, so it'll go into the ground easier. Somewhere over here is the tank. So I can go in the ground and push, and see it goes down nice and easy. I'm not going hard, and it stops. There, I feel something. So I go to the right, do it again. Still something. Still something. Miss. I know that the edge of the tank is right here. So I know the other edge is there. So now I can cut off the side, and I'm going to expose the lid of this tank, and I know where I'm starting from without going all over the tool here. That I can prod in the ground without much effort. I can find drain lines, all kinds of stuff. So just an easy quick tip how to find stuff from MrHardware.com.